1st Cavalry Division enters Tokyo. The 7th Regiment that once fought at Little Bighorn under Custer leads the parade. Although 2 million enemy soldiers remain under arms, the American token force rolls bravely to its meeting place with MacArthur. Major General William Chase, whose division led the way into Manila, congratulates the first GI to set foot in Tokyo. He's Private Paul E. Davis of Fairland, Oklahoma, winner now of a $1,000 prize. U.S. troops stand guard outside the American embassy as MacArthur's car arrives. Accompanied by Admiral Halsey, the Supreme Allied Commander will at long last see the formal raising of our flag over Tokyo. This is the selfsame banner that flew over the Capitol on December 7th, 1941, and over our triumphs at Rome and Berlin. Now, over the last Axis capital, it is unfurled in its full glory.